This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Mel's Roth week 8. It was a long weekend. I hope everybody had a good weekend. I know here in Texas it was a crazy cold weekend, so I hope everybody's staying warm and I hope everyone has a prosperous week. So let's jump into week 8 and we'll update our account. And looking at Melanie's Roth here, we're currently sitting at $8,731.09. And looking at my account here, we're currently sitting at $9,738.47. Okay guys, so I've updated both of these. This is another short week because it is February 16th. Yesterday was President's Day. So Melanie's account $8,731.09 and mine sitting at $9,738.47. And looking at these after they've been updated, we're both sitting pretty close to 30%. So we're at the 2-month mark. So in 2 months, we have a total of $18,469.56. A total of $31,530.44. We're 63% away from reaching our goal of $50,000. So let's jump into this week. So looking at Mel's account here, it looks like Alcoa did hit our strike price and it did sell. We still have Carnival Cruise Line, Lumen, and Orbital Energy. So looking at our current cash on hand, we have a total of $4,668.59. And guys, we've always done covered calls, so hopefully by now you know exactly how covered calls work. So this week, I'm actually going to show you guys how to buy a put option or sell a put option. So we have a total of $4,668. We're going to sell a put on Blink. And so selling a put, guys, you're basically, you usually want to do this on a stock that you don't mind owning just in case it hits your strike price. So we can see Blink. I feel like Blink right now is starting to get pretty high. It's sitting at $51.43. So to sell a put, this left side of the chart here, this is for call options. This, we're betting that the price is going up. That's what this side is. This right side is we're betting the price is going to go down. So we have a total, we had about $4,600. And the same thing, guys, you have to have the cash in order to do this. So since we have $4,600, we want to expand this chain because we don't see the 46. So we're going to click right over here on all. This is going to help us open up this chain so we can see the full chain. And after I open that, we can scroll here, and since we have 4,600, so the one we need is right here. And what this is saying is we're going to tell them we'll buy their shares at 4,600 no matter what price it is. So if it goes lower, we're going to buy it at 4,600. So we're going to click right here on the 9.6, and we read this in a much similar way as we do when we're selling the call. It's the Blink security. The date is February 19th, this Friday. We're going to be selling a put, and we're going to tell them that we'll buy their stock at $46. So we're selling this to open. It's just kind of like it's still a coupon, but this time this coupon is saying we'll buy it. We're going to be selling one, and we'll do a limit. Actually, I'm going to change this to a market order. So we change this to a market order. The quoted amount is $96. We're going to review and submit this order. Again, if we take a look at this, we're selling to open one contract of Blink that expires on the 19th. We're selling the $46 put option, not call. This time we're going to go on the put because this guarantees we get this at $46. We're doing a market order, and we got to check the 2 boxes to let them know we know what we're doing. And that is it, guys. So we'll come back after the market opens to make sure that got executed. We still have Carnival Cruise Line, Lumen, and Orbital Energy. So let's look at our Carnival Cruise Line. Our cost basis is $21.86. We're going to hit the down arrow, and we're going to go right here to options chain. Now we're going to sell the calls because we already own this security. So first we're going to check our date and see that it is 3 days out. Again, yesterday was President's Day, so this is a short week. And we know our cost basis is $21.86. So we're going to come down the chain, and this time we're selling call options. So we want to find the one right above our call option, which is right here. So this is the one that we want, $22. I'm going to click right here on trade. And we'll read this quickly as always. We're selling Carnival Cruise Line, expiration the 18th at $22. Strike price, we are selling the call option. We're going to sell to open. We have 100 shares. So we're going to do 1 quantity, and we'll do this at a market order. We'll submit this order. Next, guys, we have Lumen Technologies. If we hover over here and see what our cost basis is, $12.38 a share. So we'll go to our options chain, and we'll check our date, February 19th, 3 days out. Cost basis was $12.38, so we want to find a strike right above our cost basis, which is $12.50. We're going to click right here on trade. Okay, guys, so we've successfully set a buy limit to spend on Blink, and then we've set our Carnival Cruise Line Lumen Technologies call options, and Orbital Energy is still going until this coming Friday. So guys, we'll come back after the market open and make sure that all of this executed. Okay guys, the market is now open, and we did sell our Blink put, Carnival Cruise Line strike, and Luminum strike. So let's look at history. And looking at history, we can see we have the expiration date of the 19th, the 19th, and the 19th on all 3 of these. $46 put, $22 call, and a $12.50 call. And looking at what we received today, we got $4.35, $29.35, and $88.35. So we'll update our sheet. Okay guys, and our sheet is now updated. I did do red coloring just so we'll know that this was a put and not a call. But Blink, Carnival Cruise Line, and Lumen Technologies, we got a total of $88.35, $29.35, and $4.35. So let's take a look at my account. Okay guys, looking at my account, last week we did Cisco, and it did not sell. We still have it. Our Nano and Orbital Energies are both ending this week. So all we have is Cisco. So we'll just resell the call option on this one. So let's look at our cost basis. And on this mobile version, I'm going to click right up here on these 3 little lines, and I'm going to go to history. And a quick way to do this is I'm looking at the strike we sold last week, which $49.50. So I know that's above our cost basis. So I'm just going to resell the $49.50 strike again. So back here at our actual positions, I'm going to click right here on the ticker symbol. And as soon as I click that, this comes up. Click right here on options. And looking at 3 days out, coming down to our options, finding the $49.50. If we look at this, it's only looks like it's only going to be $3 this week. Now normally this is when I would start buying the stock again, but this week I'm just going to let this ride. So I'm going to click right here on the 3. And looking at this, we're selling Cisco, expiration the 18th, 49.50 strike. We're selling the call option, sell to open, and this will be a market order. And this is good this week because we can see we're barely getting anything for this. So I'm going to review and submit this order. And for this week, guys, that's all we're going to do on this account. We got Cisco, Nano, the Orbital Energy. We'll come back after the market opens to make sure that this executed. Okay, guys, so the market is now open, and looking at my account here, we were able to sell the Cisco call option. Let's take a look at history. And looking at history, we got $1. So we got a total of $1, the 65-cent fee. We got 35 cents. So this is good, guys. It doesn't bother me in a bit. I just wanted to show you guys that, yeah, it is possible sometimes we won't make money. I mean, technically we make 35 cents. We're not in the negative, so we're good. We still own the security. We still have the value of that. So we're still good. So let's update our sheet. Okay, guys, we are updated now with our $1 for Cisco, and we get 35 cents. So this week, and you know, guys, I believe this is the second week in this 8-week period. I think we did have $1 here before. Yeah, we did right here. So looking right here back on January 15th, we ended up getting $1 for Carnival Cruise Line. So it does happen sometimes, guys. The most important thing is to look at it like you keep moving forward. So this week, what do we got? 88, 29, 88, 98, 4. So we got about $122 this week. So $122. Friday, all of the other calls are expiring, so we'll probably end up with a really high calls next week. But for this week, we got 122. And I think, guys, you know, being raw and showing the actual account, well, you know, seeing these situations, being prepared and know that sometimes, you know, the good thing is we didn't go negative, you know, and that's what I want everyone to see. So, guys, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in week 9.